Hello everyone, let's back again to the new topic that we're going to talk about, adding fractions. So today we're going to have two questions that we're going to discuss. The first one, we have 7 out of 9 you add with 2 out of 3. When you look at this two fractions, so we have to find out the common factors for both of denominators. So we can see that we have 9 and also 3. The numbers that can be used for the common factor for both are 9, because 9 can be divided with 9. 9 also can be divided with 3. Now we have to pair them together. So 9 can be divided with 9, so that's equals to 1. 1 times 7. And then another one, 9 divided with 3. That equals to 3. 3 times 2. So we have now 1 times 7, that's 7 out of 9, plus 3 times 2, 6, divided by 9. So that equals to 13 out of 9. Remember that you can add them once you got the common factors for both fractions are the same. The second question, we have 2 out of 3 plus 4 out of 5. 2 out of 3 plus 4 out of 5. That equals to, find again the common factor for 3 and 5, which is 15. Now 15 can be divided with 3. That equals to 5 times 2. And then 15 divided with 5, 3 times 4. That equals to 10 out of 15 plus 12 out of 15. That is equals to 22 out of 15. You can simplify this, then this is going to be 1, 7 out of 15.